Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you all the weird and wonderful ways you can use the zoom function in Outlook. So there are a few ways that you can use the zoom function or a zoom functionality within Outlook. I am in the browser version, so this may be different when you're using the desktop app. So the first thing you want to know is that you can, when you've opened an actual email, so I'm going to go ahead and open this email, you can see here, I can now click on zoom over here in my toolbar. So you will find this under the View tab, and you can now click on that and it'll open this. You can then click on the plus or minus to zoom in or out. And once you are done, you can just click on Reset. It'll take it back to 100. One of the other ways you can do this is simply by using your browser's zoom, and this will zoom the entire page. So what you want to do is you want to hold in Control, and you can use your mouse wheel on your mouse. You're going to go and scroll in. You can see it's now zooming that in, okay, because my cursor is there. You can also, if you are having your cursor off of that window, it will zoom in your entire page. All right, so you can see now this is the entire page. One of the other things that we can do here, in fact, if we want to do an additional zoom, is we can actually hold in the Windows key and we can tap on the plus icon, which will be just past your numbers on the top of your keypad. You'll find this, the magnifier, and here you'll be able to zoom in and out. And this will zoom in again to the whole page. And then you can go and you can zoom out again. And this will zoom basically wherever your mouse cursor is. So it'll follow your mouse cursor. You can change these settings over here. But wherever the mouse cursor is, so let's say perhaps over here, you can use your Windows key again, and you can use the plus and the minus on your keyboard to zoom in and out.